this Accureview 2 training video, we're going to talk about how to access Accureview 2 and how to log in. Accureview 2 is a web-based application, so you access it by going to the webpage accureview.acupath.com. Also, if you're on our webpage at acupath.com, you can log in by clicking the Accureview 2 button, which will also take you to accureview.acupath.com. Once you get to the page, you're going to see a Login with Azure button. When you click on that, it's going to open up a form that asks for your email address and your password. If you don't have your password, you can click the Forget Your Password button, and it'll ask you for your email address. And once you type that in, you can click Send a Verification Code, and it'll send a verification code to your email. And when you come back with the verification code, it'll allow you to change your password. So you'll be able to change your own password. In this case, we're going to log in. So we're going to click that login button again. We're going to put in our email address. We're going to put in our password. And then it's going to say send verification code. Now, that send verification code is multi-factor authentication. That means that we have another way to verify you besides your password. And that is because if somebody steals your password, they would be able to get a hold of important health information. So in order to protect that protected health information, we have a second form of verification, which is to send a code to your email, and that's required by HIPAA. So once you hit send verification code, and you have to hit that, otherwise you're not going to get the code sent to your email. Now the code's going to come to your email. Now you wait for that code, which is going to come from Microsoft because that's what we're using for our verification. And then once you get that code, you're going to type it in. And you're going to click verify code. If you didn't get the code, you could hit send new code, but we're going to hit verify code. And then we could hit continue. And then we are logged into Accureview 2. And you'll be able to tell you're logged in because you'll be able to see your dashboard. And we're all logged in.